Hello everybody. Today we're going to be learning about multiplication. Before we start, there are a few golden rules of multiplication. Anything times 1 is always going to be the number you multiply by. So if I had 2 times 1, what am I going to get?
2.
2, good. What if I had 20 times 1, what am I going to get?
20.
What about a million times 1?
A million.
A million.
Good.
Wow,
Okay.
math is easy.
Math is very easy, yes. Another rule, anything times 0 is always going to be 0. So what if I had 2 times 0?
0.
0.
What if I had 0 times 0?
0.
What if I had a billion times 0?
0.
Okay, good. Now, with multiplication, the multiplication sign is kind of like saying of. So for this problem, it'd be like having 2 groups of 1. Right? Everybody following? For tens times tables, it's always, whatever number you multiply by, it's always going to end in a 0. So if it doesn't end in 0, you're doing something wrong. The answer to a multiplication problem is called a product. So what would be the product of 5 and 2?
10.
Very good, Lucas.
What?
Everybody following?
Yes.
Multiplication can be used in word problems. You'll definitely see it a lot as you get older. What if the problem was Cindy had 5 baskets of apples, and each basket had 3 apples in each?
It's a lot of apples.
What do you guys think the answer would be? Should I write the question on the board? All right, Cindy has 5 baskets of apples, and there are 3 apples in each basket. Who wants to turn this into a multiplication problem? Lucas, go ahead. What numbers do we have here?
5 times 3.
Okay. What would be the product of 5 and 3?
15.
Very good. Now, your 1 through 12 multiplication tables are something you guys need to know like the back of your hand. So I brought some flashcards and some markers. We're going to take a couple minutes. I'm going to give you guys each 3 flashcards, and I'm going to give you each 1 marker. And you guys are going to pick any 2 numbers between 1 and 12 and make a multiplication problem. I want you to write the problem on one side and then the answer on the back, and then we're going to play a game. Try not to let, well, I guess it doesn't matter, but try not to let the people next to you see what you're writing. Sure. If the marker doesn't work, let me know.
Thank you.
Does anybody have any questions so far?
Can you repeat it?
Sure. You're going to take your card. You're going to create your own multiplication problem. I want the problem on one side and then the answer on the back. You can pick any 2 numbers between 1 and 12. And don't write the same card twice. Or 3 times. Let me know when you guys are done. Alright, we're going to play a game. We're going to play 2 people are going at a time. So who wants to set up first? Lucas? Okay. I'll take the markers. Alright. Eric and Kate, you guys can go first.
Where do we go?
You're going to play, you guys can say that. I'm going to play a game. We're going to see who knows their multiplication table better. I'm going to read you the question, you're gonna have to, let's say you have to slap the table, and then I'll call on you, and we'll play best out of three. Whoever wins gets to play Lucas.
What?
Everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready? 5 times 3.
50.
You gotta slap the table.
Okay.
Eric?
No.
What?
Eric?
It's on
Eric?
the table.
15.
You gotta slap the table, I'll call on you, and then you can answer. Alright, that was a try one, that one doesn't count.
Yeah.
Let me mix these up a little bit. Sorry. Ready? Remember, you have to slap the table first. 4 times 3.
12.
What? It's not that the same.
Ready? 5 times 10.
50.
Okay.
I wait for him to call on me.
1 is 1 to 1. This is the final round. 2 times 6.
12.
Kate wins. Alright, now we're gonna have Kate versus Lucas.
Kate cheated, that was her card.
No, it wasn't.
That was not a card. You guys ready? 3 times 9.
27.
Okay. Six times 9.
What?
54.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was 54. Alright, Lucas, you won. Congratulations. Lucas would like to play, right?
I don't like Lucas. What?
If he wants.
Yeah, let's do one more, right? Everybody sits out one? Okay. Ready? 2 times 12.
Oh, wait, what? 10.
no, it was 2 times 12.
Oh.
How'd you get that?
24.
24.
Shucks, he's winning.
Ready? 2 times 4.
8.
Good. Final round. Ready? 3 times 9.
27.
Lucas, you won. Congratulations. Something I forgot to mention before. When you're doing a word problem, you have to make sure you label your answer all the time. Because if you don't label your answer, it's going to be wrong. So if I said Eric had 6 buckets with 3 marbles in each bucket, what would be the answer? I'll write it on the board.
18.
Yes, 18 what?
Marbles.
Yes, you have to make sure you label, or it's going to be wrong. Labeling is really important. And that is our lesson for today on multiplication. Clap it up for yourselves. Thank you for being my students.
You did it!
Good job, guys. Okay, way to keep it together.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Kidding.
I don't know.